guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Dorothy here. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button down there. Like this video even before watching and make sure to leave a comment. So as you can see, I have a couple of friends with me, and from the video title you already know what this is going to be about. This is a battle. This is a war. This is a war. The guys versus the girls. I don't know why he's being friendly already. Like,
don't worry.
In this video, we are not friends. We are not
don't
friends.
Worry, I'm here.
You are here. So the guys are ready and the girls are ready. So I'm going to make them introduce themselves. Starting with the ladies first.
Hi guys, it's your girl Sierra Pinky.
We have
Mabina Downpour.
Hey guys, I'm Mark.
Yeah, Billy. And one other person is supposed to join us, but he's not here. From the title, this is going to be like things. I don't want to say pet peeves because some people don't understand pet peeves. Some people don't understand what it means. Do you understand? So this is like things that guys do that girls find annoying, and things that girls do that guys find annoying. Yeah, so I asked you guys to send me some on my Instagram page, which I'll be featuring. So someone said, that's for the guys, how some women are indecisive. What do you think?
Oh yeah, that one there plenty. For example, if you walk into a restaurant and you ask them what do you want to eat, the list is plenty. Pick one.
You know, you are the same people that
one.
No, wait, you are the same people that if a girl
we have
quick
to know,
like,
because you know sometimes you can eat and regret like that you've eaten this particular food. No, he's talking about like a restaurant, like picking a food. So you have to like you want to carefully choose the one.
1 hour later.
Yes, so they don't take the wrong.
But you are the same people that if a girl is quick
to be
like,
careful and make
you be like, hey, this girl dear.
What's funny is What's funny is they will still choose the wrong food and then eat your food. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, after
sometimes we just want to have a taste of it because maybe it might be from different hands. That's why we do that.
No, that's a lie. That's a strategy they use. They'll spend 1 hour to pick the food, and then the food they pick, they won't even eat it, and they'll come eat it. That's a lie.
So that's what the guys have to say. Guys saying this for the guys side. Girls that can't dress.
Thank you.
But there are some guys who can't dress.
How? It's not about. No, what do you mean? A girl can't dress? Like you? What is your responsibility as a boyfriend?
We're not talking about boyfriend, though.
Besides
Please, she has officially
Relax.
She has made it clear from the beginning.
See, we're talking about
most girls.
That's true.
Guys, it's just getting your top, your jeans, and your sneakers.
You're good
to go.
Because you guys have one way
think it's that simple.
This thing.
Oh, come on, no, guys, you are always dope. No, it's good to go. Unlike girls, she can mix red with indigo.
But drilling is something in the what? For both sexes, so you can't say when a girl.
Guys, no, but for this particular
person,
it's a pet peeve. Girls that can't dress. So
I don't think that that's a big deal because a girl can always learn how to dress. Yeah, so I don't think that that's bad.
Someone said, this for the girl side. I hate guys who brag. Yeah, some guys brag and show off.
Show off what?
Show off their things, like their fancy
things that doesn't even belong to them.
Yes.
Like what?
Like what?
They are just generally showing off on social media. Their cars. Not that there's anything wrong with but like.
The person is driving the car and seeing.
But then it's not his. He went to borrow it and he's using it to flex.
Oh, come on.
He's a person.
Once he's driving the car, it's for him.
It's for him.
It's for him.
If it's 1 hour crowd, that 1 hour.
So
it's for him.
If something is to happen, don't go and look for the owner of something.
It's for him.
It's for him.
You're all saying it's for him. What if it's not for him?
It's for him.
His name
I'm confused right now.
Registered king.
Registered car.
Come
on. He's sitting in the car, driving it for him.
Yeah, so you guys should tell us which people are.
Of course, the girls, because you guys are not
placed
with the girls.
No, you did it.
And this for the girls. This is what we find.
You see, another
annoying,
question.
Unnecessarily touching. Guys who touch you unnecessarily.
That's romantic.
No.
That thing sucks.
It's romantic.
That's very romantic.
It's romantic.
Wait, relax.
Most girls are not
No.
romantic.
Girls,
But
they
why
don't
relax.
like-
No, but why would you just do it?
Yes,
like,
because
for
I'm
what?
not just doing it per
Listen.
se.
Girls do it.
Hey, listen.
What do you
So,
get from it?
listen, some guys are not even in a relationship with you. They don't even have anything to do with you. They're not even dating you, and they just want to touch you. Why?
Actually, like
Please,
when
why?
they're talking,
The guy is
romantic.
romantic.
when they're talking,
no,
they have
he's
to touch
sweet.
like this, like.
That's romantic.
He's
Girls cry.
But you're my
That's romantic.
friend. You're not my anything. You're my friend.
Friend.
So when you're talking to me, no,
Sometimes it's not even shown.
That's
Sometimes
friendly
they'll
romantic.
even
So you're
go
trying to
further
tell me you're my
touch.
friend. If I'm to touch you this way, it's a bad way.
That's-
No, come
relax.
on.
We
Well,
right now we
well.
all know that we are comfortable.
But then,
here,
is,
but
do
like,
you think it's right for you to see something and just touch it like that?
Oh no.
Oh,
That one there is wrong.
yeah, but you know you're friends.
Your
Okay,
friend is.
okay, I get it because guys are moved by what they see. So
Oh yeah. You see, a girl when
But that's
something
even you should
attractive
touch.
with her
if you are moved,
That-
And
they
they
haven't-
have to and
no,
all
they
that.
haven't met the right people like
What?
us because they haven't received something like this before.
if you are moved by what you see, doesn't mean you have to go and touch it.
It's a calling.
When?
Oh please.
It's a calling.
We like touching nice things.
Oh yeah.
Probably
If it's
got
not
it.
nice, oh come on.
Probably
You won't
got
touch
it.
it.
Have I asked for your romance? Have I?
Yeah, girl, you have no sexual relations with Kang and she's touching you.
Police.
What?
Police.
As in, you not like it.
No.
But why is that you're defending the guys when they do that?
Because guys like nice things. They would like to.
Why
touch
women
it.
we don't like nice
That's
things.
Oh, girl.
That's
So that's what they're
romantic.
saying. Always trying to be right in an argument. Guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Sometimes.
That's false.
No, it's true.
It's true.
Oh, it's
False
true.
statement.
It's very true.
False
Guys,
statement.
No,
Well,
but right
with
now,
this
right
one,
now,
Why
we're
do you say
having
this?
like.
Let me ask.
With this one,
No,
out there.
yeah.
It's
Actually,
true.
like, what we are saying is kind of an argument. And you are defending it. So you are trying to be right. But you are not.
He needs some milk.
I don't know whether it hurts you that you are saying, oh,
Yes, and this another one.
let me finish talking. I don't know why.
But I don't make us lose.
Wait.
Move on.
I don't know if sometimes it hurts you guys to just say that, oh, you are right. I don't know why it hurts you guys to admit that a girl is right. Like, what will happen if you just say that? Sometimes it could be something very obvious, like something. It's so obvious that you are very wrong, but you will find a why?
But she's wrong.
She's
And I'm
You just
right.
don't want to accept the
This
fact
is
that.
another one. This one is actually very, very relatable. It's for the guys. When they want to approach a girl and they send someone to call you.
I never heard that.
You've never done
You
that.
have.
Pause this whole thing right now. Pause this whole thing right now. Pause this whole thing right now.
So you always approach.
Look at
no,
Joshua.
no, no,
Joshua
no.
has done some. I remember.
Oh no, why do I have to send someone to call a girl for me?
Eh?
Joshua, should
Don't
I
have
remind
bo-
you?
bo-
Should I? Joshua, should
Don't
I
have
remind
bo-
you?
bo-
Should I remind you? Should I remind you?
man,
That's not true. That's not true.
It's very true.
Like,
why do you
why
have to send
can't
someone?
you? And some people do it. Like,
Yeah.
let's say maybe you have a female friend who has another female friend that maybe you like,
Sometimes they say.
or you want a number or something.
To only happen when the girls are two and the guy is one. So you tell the other girl to call the other girl for you.
Sometimes,
That's-
sometimes you guys say.
That's
Like,
it.
you haven't
No,
seen
no,
the
no.
opposite of it.
Oh no.
No.
It doesn't happen that
It
way.
rather
It
happens.
doesn't happen that way.
Sometimes
I don't think so.
they also say
Yeah,
they are
let's
friends.
listen to it.
Okay, maybe because they are shy or something. Were you shy when you did it?
Okay, yeah, I
never
think
did.
no, don't be like that shy. No, because someone actually told me that it's not easy for him to approach girls, so it's not easy for guys to approach girls.
He's lying. He
So
was,
some
just,
guys,
he was just busy.
but
That's
some,
all.
but we are done with the Instagram one. Now comes to talk about you personally as a person. What you don't like about.
So me,
Ladies first.
We already
Can I-
started.
can I-
So, guys first.
when did we
It
start?
doesn't go that way.
Let me check the list. It's
Yeah.
plenty.
One thing that I had in mind to say was, guys always feeling that. Some guys always feeling that they are always
Yeah.
right.
Also, like guys that.
Why are you looking at me
How do I
like
even
that?
say it? Yeah, and then guys that think that every girl is into them.
Huh?
Guys like that.
That's false.
As in,
False.
yeah, it's see.
False.
So when
Yeah,
I'm
some
trying
guys
to
like I don't know why you guys are saying false.
That's
If it doesn't
false.
apply to you,
False,
probably
false.
applies to
Yes.
someone else.
No. The same way girls will say all guys are the same. So we
Exact-
are standing in the name of
Can we
guys.
say,
In the name of
can we
guys.
say
all
something?
guys.
You see,
Some people say.
all girls say that thing. That all guys are the same. So we are defending guys right.
That is true. All
It's not
guys are the
true.
same. So
It's not true.
Oh,
It's
not.
Kofi Kwame.
Yes,
No.
no,
It's actually
That's not true.
So this is for the girls.
Thank you.
No, I'm saying like the next.
The next.
I would never go against the girls.
Mm.
Like someone earlier in the video. What do you find annoying about girls?
I think girls, a girl can come and ask for advice from you, but later on won't use it. So it makes you the guy feel so stupid. Like
Maybe.
Let me come in. But how would you know?
Once she asks
She
you,
didn't use it.
once she asks you, you know that she's trying to make a
Give
step
an
like
example,
this.
because
I feel like it's related to
when
relationship.
those bestie things they've been doing, then the bestie is trying to bestie in another way.
then
Then she
someone
comes
is
to you for an advice. Then you see that she's not using it. She's still doing snap with the guy on his bed, hands on the chest. Eh? Girls,
Yeah,
girls,
that's-
fear girls, women. Hey.
annoys you. Why do you like
Oh yeah. What?
Do you like it? Why
Well,
does it annoy you?
No, but if you give someone an advice and the person doesn't take it, do you understand?
She
You
makes
the
you
person
stupid.
doesn't
It means
know
it wasn't
that-
good enough.
Hey, look
Oh,
who is
come
going
Yeah, it wasn't
to
good
support
enough.
the guys. Look who is going to support the guys.
I said the guys are winning, though. We are winning.
So right now they both betrayed.
Because guys are
Both.
winning.
No, you.
Girls and bestie. Girls can't live without this bestie thing.
This
having
bestie
one
thing is a
bestie.
scam.
Complicated.
Complicated.
You don't do that.
A girl will never let a guy have a bestie. Would I'm lying, tell me something.
Because it doesn't end well.
Exactly.
With
So
the guy.
then,
And so
when
why
we
would
tell
a
you
girl-
the
With the guy side, it doesn't end well. With the
Wow.
yeah,
female
with
side,
side.
what
Wow.
it ends
Wow.
well.
So now, someone just joined us.
Yeah.
Hello.
Defending the guys. The guys are going
Hi.
to be,
But who do you think is winning?
No,
The
because
guys
you
are
I
girls
feel like
are
right now
playing-
it's balanced. You understand?
It's not balanced.
But we're
I feel
still
like
winning.
the guys are
Girls
winning.
don't accept the
Yeah.
You know,
see?
all they're
He just came with them.
all they're saying is a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie. But
said
we are
girls-
giving strong points.
Yeah,
We
you
don't
don't
need to
understand.
joke
They are
at
just saying,
all.
oh, it's a lie. It's not true.
And we are actually giving points. and
See,
we
you
are
guys
actually
always
giving
trying to be right.
Oh no, you know that's a lie.
It's a lie.
Please show your face.
You know that's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie.
Hello.
Please introduce yourself. You just came.
Hey, I'm Nathan.
Nathan, I'm come to ask you. As in, what are your pet peeves in girls? Like things you find annoying with girls, with some girls.
Check the book. The list is plain.
Yeah, jealousy.
Jealousy.
Most girls are stingy.
He didn't come to play.
Most girls in terms of money, especially.
Hi, girls. No, it's guys that.
When girls get their money, it's just them.
Well,
Girls
when
just
it's
get
our money, it's our money. But when it's our money,
It's
it's
our
our
money.
money.
Oh,
Money is our money, and your money is our money.
Period.
That's how it
Where
is.
was that
Did you just hear
written?
what she said?
I strongly disagree that girls are stingy. I think it's the other way around.
Or how is
Guys
that?
are very stingy.
No, but he came
We
with
ladies,
you.
we want
Some of
you
are
guys to
very
give it to us.
stingy.
Right? Aha! It brings me to this.
Yes.
Why is it that you always wait for us to ask you something before you give it to us? Sometimes we just want you to give it to us without we asking.
Yeah.
Like that feels
Sometimes,
good.
like, they will be dropping him.
What's wrong?
You
What's
know,
wrong?
like,
What's wrong when you
understand.
girls also give to us?
Well, we
Yes,
can't
without
because
asking.
that's why I said our money is our money.
you see?
Your money is our
You
money.
see? By your work you shall be known. You see? You see?
You girls lateness. No, you girls.
I swear.
This one, I think we can defend it.
I swear.
We have
Even today.
lots.
Even today, right? You girls, are
No,
always
he just came.
So,
He just
you
came.
girls are always
So he
late.
was
Is
late.
this even making sense? The late comer.
He said,
The late comer.
Hey, it's a
And
lie.
okay, girls, see, you are the same people saying that girls, you guys don't like it when girls don't dress properly and stuff. You know, girls, we need to do our hair, we need to do our makeup, we need to dress well.
And they
then you
start
guys are
early.
the same people
And
saying
they
that.
start early.
That is why you need to tell us
Nothing.
early. If maybe you are going somewhere, you need, oh, we'll be leaving here maybe at 12.
You
Exactly
be the person
12.
that-
but I feel like you
So-
actually never be too early. You understand with makeup. Even if you spend 2 hours and maybe the thing is happening later or something, still enter the time. Please, why are you defending?
Girls are always
Once
late,
again,
I
regardless.
really wanted to say something,
You
but
find it annoying. Ladies
Those
find
are
it
young.
annoying when you guys don't reply text on time.
99.9%
Some
of the
girls-
time,
okay,
guys
I'm
don't
free.
reply. It's either with
Eh,
the Bible
wait,
studies
wait,
or
wait,
something.
I don't reply
Usually,
something.
the Bible studies.
What? What?
Usually, when
Okay,
guys
Bible study means something else to you guys. I know.
Bible studies.
Yes.
Come on, what do you think when you hear Bible
Bible studies.
Well, you guys
Use-
use it to cover things.
Bible
That's what I know.
studies. Oh, come on. no.
One thing is, guys, that you see, there's some guys that sorry, there's some guys. There's some guys that like to complain about some things.
Yeah, some pet. Is it pet things?
Or
Some
necessary.
petty
But those
things
also
like
do the
some.
same.
Yeah, it's true.
Necessary
It's true.
things.
Like
Guys
Like
like
what?
to complain.
Like you guys, sometimes you
Like
guys
what?
like
Like-
complain
No.
about petty things that will not like.
Like, for example, you
But the
having
video
a
is
best
getting
friend,
long.
and I'm talking about it.
Why are you still talking about this best friend?
Because
thing?
girls
Because
like
it's
that,
very
but they don't want
important.
a guy to
That
have
one
a
I can
best
say
friend.
it's not
I
so
don't get
petty.
it.
This is why I
Like,
said, guys, it doesn't win.
But
it
actually
doesn't end
depends
well
on
with
the-
you.
Oh,
What's
that ends
the
well with
point?
you.
Yes, because we try to keep
Yeah, all
our
human
promises,
beings,
but
no.
with you guys,
You
no.
try.
I mean, we try, we push.
You don't keep it, but you try.
Well, we try.
You all.
He was talking about the bestie thing. I don't think that one is so petty because you could probably get jealous and it's very normal in a relationship if we are talking about
When do you have
relationship.
to go for a best
But-
friend? Your boyfriend can be
like-
Your best friend.
If you guys complain about
Boys
some
don't
other
like that
things,
thing.
I'm
not
your
talking
best
about,
friend.
Yes.
I'm not talking about best
So
friend.
you
I'm
agree with your boyfriend having?
I'm not talking about best friend. I'm saying that you guys complain about some little things.
Like
some
Like-
You
little-
guys don't even
I
have time
don't-
for best
I-
friends, so why do you even want to go in it?
We
Do you
want
have
best
time?
friends.
Do you have time for it?
especially
For what?
Because we value it and we have time for our best friends.
We
but
do.
then you guys don't.
We do. Mm.
I
Wait,
see.
wait. With the point,
guys that are like older, like really, let's say, a little. They
5
feel
years.
like you're a child and that
So,
thing, that
with what you
particular
are
thing.
saying,
Yeah.
what-
I know,
But
like,
you going
people
into-
in relationships. That's like you can see that they are there's a wide age gap, but then they really
10
click
years.
and then no problems.
Yes.
But there are some guys they'll treat you like
But why does a
you're
girl
the
have to go
headmaster,
for a
you're
best friend?
class
That's what I
two
don't
students.
understand.
Because we know that.
No, he's saying that I'm making a point, so he wants to bring the best friend
no,
thing
no,
inside.
no, no, no. See, us are saying guys
Here
can
we
go
are,
for
the
best
boy.
friend, female best friends.
Friends.
But
Why?
they can go for guy best friend, like a guy as a best friend. Why?
And the crazy
You
part
know,
is it
I
always
feel
ends
like
with tears.
Relax, I feel like it all depends on the foundation of
Because
the
you become
relationship.
so attached to the person. That's what best friends are.
But your guy can be your best
Relax,
friend. He can be your friend.
You
He can be
guys
your
are
brother.
not like that. That's the
Everything.
point. Like you don't know how to do bestie things. It's
See,
only
I feel like-
boyfriend things you don't. It's true. There's some things besties do and then boyfriends can do.
Like what?
I'm not going to share it here.
Why
You
can't
guys.
you?
Right.
No, you know.
Why can't
There
you?
are
No,
children
Like
also.
that, I feel like it basically relies on the foundation of the relationship. If you guys are really cool, you understand each other, and I don't know, but if the relationship is right and you feel it, you know that I'm with the right person. If the person even goes for a best friend of the opposite sex, you
It's
don't
a
have
lie.
any problem.
It's a
It's a
lie.
lie. It's a lie.
Then you are not in the right relationship.
No, come on.
You are not-
I'm not
Why
taking
is
for
it
me, I'm
that
taking for
okay?
the
I want to
guy.
ask you something. Why is it that you guys always like whenever you say or you talk to a girl about something, you go back and tell your guys? Like, why do you guys do that?
Why
I
do
don't
you guys
understand.
do that?
Like, I want to know the reason why you guys do that.
Guys.
Guys.
We discuss
See,
something
look at him.
just between the two of
You
us.
know?
And you can discuss amongst yourselves and then laugh about it. Like that's the like, laugh about
some
it.
guys.
That
Well-
really
guys
hurts.
But then why do girls have group chats?
So you know what we talk about.
So how do you?
No, that's-
How do you
No, no.
Exactly.
Because we know, because sometimes when you're working, like you feel like something is wrong.
How's it going?
No, you feel
You know, I think this thing
they'll be
is.
watching you very funny, like you made them nothing.
So girls don't watch guys very funny.
Funny.
no, we
You
don't.
girls do
because
that
we
the
don't.
most.
I don't think we
You
have
do that
time
the
for you
most.
guys.
Oh.
But
You know, I think
have
it's
time for
something
it.
that is actually normal because.
But I want
all
to
means
know why
have
you guys
your
do
friends.
that. Like, is it some kind of like I don't know?
Okay, see, you have.
We don't do that.
Girls, you have your friends. Boys, do you have your friends? But you can actually say certain things to your friends. But there are some things that I think are too private for the relationship. So
But they still go out to say.
Wait. We don't talk about everything to our male friends. We just tell them what's necessary.
No, you do.
How do you know we do and how do you know we don't?
Oh,
You see,
but
once
but
again-
me,
and I feel it will
Let me.
no, but I know guys that gossip.
Which leads to the next point. Girls like jumping to
Yucky.
conclusions. That's the biggest one.
Yeah,
Girls
very
jumping to conclusions. You say hi to some girl, no, you are cheating.
Yeah, cheating.
No,
Same
You
for guys.
overdo it.
no, but you actually know the person you're with and Like there are some things that you can't. It's actually disrespectful. Let's say you're with your girl and you see another girl and then
You know the girl.
No. You could go with your girlfriend, but some people will leave.
You feel awkward if I'm to go with you to meet another girl.
If there's understanding in the relationship, all these things is
Understanding, girls.
See, girls never understand.
Who said?
Girls never understand.
I think we've had enough points. But who do you think won?
Guys.
I blocked you again.
You know.
Oh, we won.
Team girls.
You know you love.
It's so obvious that the girls won because we brought points, we brought facts. Guys, we're just
you were saying it.
I mean, they were only back.
That was the item.
Guys, the only thing they were saying, bestie.
That's all.
They weren't bringing any valid
variety
points.
of things.
Just
you
always
They were just jumping to conclusions. That's what they were doing. Jumping to conclusions. But then the
See, right now
guys won.
you are trying to support a lost case. Like, no, I feel like the girls have taken it. Okay, no, I'm actually not going to be like partial, but you guys should tell. Like, let me know your
Comments below.
as in, yeah, you understand?
Let us know
But the guys
who
won.
won, but like,
Team
let us
G,
know.
Team Girls.
Comment and subscribe below.
It's coming this time.
Is there anything we need to say?
You guys are finally seeing the girls versus the guys battle. The guys weren't really saying anything.
We were saying a lot. They
the
just
only
weren't
thing
listening.
No
they
point.
were
They weren't listening.
No point.
They weren't
They're just
listening.
debunking and
They weren't
they were trying to
listening.
be superior. See that they're doing the same thing that they're
Jumping to conclusions again. But you
But you guys should be the ones to judge this, you understand? So comment below. Let's know what you think, do you understand? We finally come to the end of this video. This very wholesome and then noisy video. If you like this video,
Noisy.
if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel
And
like
Comment.
and also turn the notification bell so whenever I post the videos, you understand? I'm going to watch my. So it was nice having all of them here. I'm going to meet.
yeah, the whole crew.
Yeah, so say, should you say bye YouTube? What should you say? Or bye guys?
Yeah.
Or bye guys?
Bye,
Please say
bye,
bye
guys.
guys. Oh, we shouldn't say that. Yeah, so that's it for today. For this video.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3.
Bye guys.